buy $700 plus dashcam, or can a $100 one do the job? In this video, we tested 3 unique dashcams ranging from $169 to $799. I tested their image quality, installation difficulty, and aesthetics, and evaluated their performance under different shooting conditions to help you choose the best device. Image quality. We drove intermittently on different roads for 3 days. All 3 devices recorded stably, but in different environments. The 3 dashcams showed significant differences. Sunny day performance. On sunny days with blue skies and white clouds, all 3 could clearly see the license plates in front. In terms of color and image quality, the footage from the 6109 and the Little Eagle Guardian was close to what the human eye sees, with natural colors that restore the naked eye view. The 529 is not only high definition but also has very saturated colors with an HDR-like texture, offering more delicate performance. Night performance. It is now 7 p.m., the sun has completely disappeared, and the streetlights on both sides of the road are on. In this environment, 6109 looks pretty good. The lens isn't interfered with too seriously by streetlights, and license plates within about 3 meters are fully visible. For driving safety, such as providing evidence for common rear-end collisions or side scrapes, it is sufficient. Little Eagle Guardian, the footage has slightly more noise. At 80 km/h, it is hard to see the license plates of passing cars, but it is okay below 60 km/h. If you drive on the highway often, I suggest choosing the 6109. If you drive more in the city, the Little Eagle Guardian is recommended. 529 performs better than both the 6109 and the Little Eagle Guardian. It's not just about seeing license plates, but also screen brightness, clarity, and detail performance, because it introduces AI smart algorithms that automatically optimize light at night. Recommendation index. 529 5 stars. 6109 4 stars. Little Eagle Guardian 3 stars. Aesthetics. This 6109 vehicle-specific dashcam looks beautiful after installation. Truly, you can't see a single plug or wire. It is completely hidden and blends with the original car, not awkward at all. It is the most aesthetic and space-saving installation method of the 3. The Little Eagle Guardian and 529 both use 3M adhesive stuck to the front windshield, with wiring plugs exposed on the outside. They only come in black, so there is no sense of integration when installed. Therefore, for friends who pursue minimalist aesthetics and original car style, I suggest you prioritize the 6109. Recommendation index. 529 3 stars. 6109 5 stars. Little Eagle Guardian 3 stars. Installation difficulty. Regarding installation, sticking the main unit of the Little Eagle Guardian to the windshield is relatively simple, but getting power from the car's fuse box is quite complex. If you don't have tools like a test pen or screwdriver at home, I suggest finding a professional installer. Of course, if you are handy, you can challenge yourself. The benefit is that wiring to the fuse box allows your dashcam to continue recording video even when the car is parked and the engine is off. For the 529, we took power from the cigarette lighter. It is the simplest and easiest to operate. Very relaxed, even a beginner can complete the installation effortlessly. Its advantage is that it is simple and fast. The disadvantage is that the cigarette lighter only supplies power to the dashcam after the car is ignited. So, if you want to use the parking monitoring function, you still need to get power from the fuse box. For the 6109, we took power from the original rain sensor interface. Its installation difficulty is between the other 2. Its biggest advantage is that there is no need for wiring. It directly uses the rain sensor interface on the original front windshield to get power. Very minimalist. Recommendation index. 529 5 stars. 6109 4 stars. Little Eagle Guardian 3 stars. Other aspects. In terms of field of view, all three are basically the same, around 150 degrees, capable of capturing 3 lanes to ensure evidence collection for driving. In terms of design, I prefer the hidden design of the 6109, but the color tuning and the delicate feel of the 529's image quality are simply too tempting for me. In terms of remote control, the Little Eagle Guardian is the only dashcam in this review that comes with a built-in data SIM card. It enables remote connectivity. Even if you are sunbathing on the top of the Trump Tower, you can see the real-time status of your beloved car in the garage on your phone. This is its biggest advantage, it's just cool. Conclusion. After testing their comprehensive performance, let's announce their respective prices.
All 3 dashcams have 4K resolution image quality.
The cheapest is the 6109 at $169. Its biggest feature is the hidden installation. The mid-range price is the Little Eagle Guardian at $239.
Also 4K quality.
It comes with a data card to check your car's status remotely. The one with the best color tone and finest overall picture but also the highest price is the 529, sold on the official website for $799.
The same 4K.
But the color tuning and the clarity of the picture are simply stunning. It is very suitable for guys with travel filming needs. Especially under sunny blue skies, the high saturation will make your videos more attractive. It's hard to imagine how much attention it would attract if you posted the driving footage recorded by it on social media. Overall, for those who pursue minimalism and original car interiors, I recommend the $169 6109. For those who need remote viewing of their car's status for peace of mind, the $239 Little Eagle Guardian is definitely your best choice. For those who pursue ultimate video quality or often drive for travel logging, the 529 can help you record the beautiful scenery along the road anytime, anywhere. Especially when exploring the Great Prairies, you don't have to worry about missing the exciting shots of encountering animals. This video is an unsponsored review. Please subscribe if you liked this episode. Thanks for watching. See you next time.